Hi, Mr. Harper here. So I wanted to show you what your tutorial should look like when you finish making it. So as you can see here, I went through the video sensing tutorial. I have the dragon. I made it size a little bit smaller. So if I click on a dragon, I think I made it 60%. I have the cat over here. It's still 100%. And then I have the balloon. And you can tell as I get closer to the dragon and move around on it, it breathes fire. If I touch the cat and the balloon, they'll move. So just something really simple. To turn this in, only thing I want you to do is just add a comment and share the link. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit share here. And you want to make sure you give your project a name like video sensing tutorial. Then some instructions, I'll just put the same thing. But to actually turn this in, we're just going to click copy link. And then we're going to click this copy link here. It should say copied. And then you can just go back to Google Classroom and we're going to do it on the actual assignment. And you're just going to post a comment in the comment, Control V, and just turn it in like that. Something real simple. Alright, so I hope that kind of gets you started, and I hope you had fun making this simple tutorial. See you later.